Hey guys, this is a early hands-on video of Vivo NEX. The Vivo NEX smartphone is launching today. As we already know that, Vivo NEX will feature an under-display fingerprint sensor. The handset is expected to arrive with a massive display of 6.59 inches. The leaks suggest that smartphone will indeed offer an impressive screen space. As it can be seen in the video, the chin of the device is a bit thicker than other bezels that surround the screen. It is speculated that the Vivo NEX will deliver a screen-to-body ratio of around 91%. The leak give a clearer view of the front side of the Vivo NEX. The pop-up camera is clearly seen in this video. The rear side of the phone has a vertical dual camera setup that is placed at the top left corner of the phone. The back side of the handset seems to be made out of glass. Recent reports have revealed that the Vivo NEX and NEX A are both powered by Snapdragon 710. The Vivo NEX has 6 GB of RAM, whereas the Snapdragon 845 variant is likely to arrive as Vivo NEX S, and it expected to feature 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Earlier this week, a report had revealed that there is an advanced variant that of the phone features Snapdragon 845, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of RAM. This model is expected to be priced at 4,498 yuan, $703. The Snapdragon 710 edition is likely to cost 3,798 yuan, $593. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.